For more than a century, luxury rail travel has represented one of the most elegant ways to explore the world. Long before commercial aviation connected continents in hours, the world's finest trains carried travelers across mountains, deserts, forests, and coastlines in extraordinary comfort. Even today, a handful of legendary journeys continue that remarkable tradition. Among them are rail experiences so exclusive that a single journey can cost as much as a luxury car. Suites rival five-star hotels. Gourmet cuisine is served in beautifully restored dining cars, and panoramic landscapes unfold beyond expansive windows throughout the day. The journey itself becomes the destination. What makes these remarkable trains so desirable is not simply their exclusivity. Every detail has been carefully designed to create an atmosphere where craftsmanship, hospitality, and timeless elegance replace the speed and efficiency of modern travel. Passengers are invited to slow down and appreciate every moment along the route. Our journey begins aboard one of the world's most celebrated luxury trains, where guests arrive at an elegant station before stepping into a world inspired by the golden age of rail travel. Uniformed attendants greet every passenger while polished brass, handcrafted timber, and beautifully restored carriages immediately evoke another era of exploration. From above, the train glides gracefully through spectacular countryside while gleaming carriages reflect the changing light beneath endless skies. Forests, rivers, mountains, and rolling valleys unfold beyond the tracks, reminding travelers that the scenery is as important as the destination itself. Every kilometer reveals another unforgettable panorama. Inside, remarkable craftsmanship defines every space. Rich timber paneling, hand-finished furnishings, polished metals, and carefully restored historic details create interiors that feel more like an elegant boutique hotel than a moving train. Every carriage reflects generations of railway tradition. Accommodation has been designed to combine classic elegance with modern comfort. Spacious suites feature beautifully appointed living areas, luxurious bedrooms, and private bathrooms, allowing guests to experience exceptional privacy while the landscape quietly passes beyond their windows. Every room has been carefully arranged to maximize both comfort and the view. Large panoramic windows transform the surrounding scenery into a constantly changing work of art. Snow-covered mountains, winding rivers, open plains, dense forests, and picturesque villages appear one after another without passengers ever leaving the comfort of their suites. Every hour presents a completely different landscape. Dining remains one of the defining experiences on board. Beautifully presented seasonal menus celebrate regional ingredients, while attentive service creates an atmosphere reminiscent of the world's finest restaurants. Meals become leisurely occasions rather than simple stops between destinations. Elegant dining cars provide an experience that is both refined and welcoming. Crystal glassware, crisp linens, polished wood, and carefully prepared cuisine combine to create unforgettable evenings as the train continues its journey through breathtaking landscapes. Every detail reflects extraordinary attention to quality. Beyond the private suites, beautifully designed observation lounges invite passengers to relax while enjoying uninterrupted panoramic views. Comfortable seating, quiet conversation, and ever-changing scenery create spaces where travelers naturally gather to share the experience of the journey. Time seems to slow with every passing mile. Hospitality remains at the heart of the experience. Dedicated onboard teams quietly anticipate every need, ensuring that service feels effortless rather than formal. From morning coffee to evening refreshments, every interaction reflects exceptional professionalism and genuine warmth. Outside, the landscapes continue to evolve. Towering mountain ranges give way to peaceful valleys before rivers, forests, and dramatic viaducts appear beyond the windows. The changing scenery becomes an integral part of the journey, transforming travel into a continuous visual experience. Unlike modern transport, luxury rail encourages passengers to embrace the journey itself rather than simply focusing on arrival. There are no airport terminals, security queues, or hurried connections. Instead, each day unfolds at a relaxed pace, where every meal, conversation, and landscape becomes part of the adventure. Perhaps that slower rhythm explains why luxury rail continues to captivate travelers from around the world. In an age increasingly defined by speed, these remarkable trains offer something surprisingly rare: the opportunity to appreciate distance rather than simply overcome it. As evening light settles across mountains, rivers, and forests beyond the panoramic windows, the train continues its graceful journey through some of the world's most spectacular landscapes. It becomes clear that the true luxury is not measured by the price of the ticket, but by the privilege of experiencing travel exactly as it was once intended: unhurried, elegant, and unforgettable. As dawn breaks across the landscape, life aboard the train begins quietly. Soft morning light filters through panoramic windows, while distant mountains, winding rivers, and peaceful countryside glide effortlessly past. Every sunrise feels different, reminding passengers that the journey itself is constantly changing. While guests enjoy breakfast overlooking spectacular scenery, another world operates behind the scenes. A dedicated team of chefs, stewards, engineers, and hospitality professionals work with remarkable precision to ensure that every aspect of the journey unfolds seamlessly. Their efforts remain almost invisible, yet they shape every moment on board. The kitchens aboard these remarkable trains rival those of many fine restaurants. Fresh regional ingredients are carefully prepared within compact yet highly efficient spaces, where every meal is crafted while the train continues moving through changing landscapes. Precision and organization become essential ingredients alongside culinary skill. Service extends far beyond dining. Housekeeping teams quietly prepare sweets, attendants anticipate individual preferences, and hospitality staff create an atmosphere where every guest feels personally welcomed throughout the journey. The experience is built upon thoughtful details rather than grand gestures. Behind the elegant interiors lies an extraordinary feat of engineering. Historic carriages have been carefully restored using modern technology while preserving the craftsmanship that first made them famous. Every polished panel, mechanical system, and decorative feature reflects countless hours of specialist restoration and maintenance. The locomotives themselves represent another balance between heritage and innovation. Powerful enough to climb steep mountain grades and cross vast landscapes, they continue a railway tradition that has connected remarkable destinations for generations. Engineering quietly supports the elegance passengers experience every day. One of the greatest reasons these journeys command such extraordinary prices is their exclusivity. Passenger numbers remain intentionally limited, allowing spacious accommodation, attentive service, and an atmosphere of privacy rarely found in other forms of transport. Every guest enjoys an experience tailored to comfort rather than capacity. Exceptional cuisine also contributes to the experience. Menus change throughout the journey to reflect regional flavors, seasonal ingredients, and local culinary traditions encountered along the route. Dining becomes a celebration of the landscapes beyond the windows as much as the destinations themselves. The routes themselves are equally remarkable. Historic railways cross mountain passes, traverse dramatic viaducts, follow winding rivers, and connect landscapes that few roads can reach. Some of the world's most spectacular scenery is visible only because these railways were engineered through places of extraordinary natural beauty. Luxury rail also appeals to travelers seeking something increasingly rare in modern tourism. Rather than rushing between destinations, passengers are encouraged to appreciate every kilometer traveled. Conversation replaces constant schedules, and the changing scenery becomes part of the destination rather than simply the journey between stops. Many guests describe these experiences as once-in-a-lifetime adventures rather than ordinary holidays. The opportunity to travel slowly through magnificent landscapes while enjoying exceptional hospitality creates memories that remain vivid long after the journey has ended. Every day aboard feels intentionally unhurried. Around the world, interest in slow travel continues to grow. More travelers are choosing meaningful experiences over tightly packed itineraries, seeking journeys that encourage deeper connections with landscapes, cultures, and local traditions. Luxury rail has become one of the finest expressions of this philosophy. Looking across these extraordinary trains, one conclusion becomes unmistakably clear. Their value is not defined solely by impressive ticket prices or luxurious accommodation. It is found in remarkable craftsmanship, timeless engineering, personalized hospitality, breathtaking scenery, and the opportunity to experience travel at a pace that allows every moment to be appreciated. For many passengers, the destination eventually becomes almost secondary. The true highlight is waking each morning to a new landscape, sharing memorable conversations, enjoying exceptional cuisine, and watching the world unfold beyond the windows at a pace that modern life rarely permits. As the train disappears into another valley beneath snow-covered peaks and golden evening light reflects across rivers and forests, it quietly reminds us why luxury rail continues to inspire travelers across generations. The world's finest rail journeys are not simply about traveling from one place to another. They celebrate the timeless joy of the journey itself, proving that sometimes the greatest destination is the experience along the way.